Do you want to earn more than $80 per hour with Adsterra network? Then you should watch this full video without skipping. In this video, I'm going to share with you step by step how to earn money online with Adsterra network. You just need your mobile phone and internet connection to start making money online. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can go on ChatGPT platform and you can generate articles about where can I invest my savings for the best returns. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated articles. I'm going to copy this article. Now in next step, you can go on GPT-0 platform and you can paste here that article. Guys, as we know that this is AI generated article, I'm going to scan this article. You can click on this button. As you can see, this platform has detected that this is 100% AI generated. If you will use this article on your website, then this article will not rank on Google search result. You will not get visitors on your article. You will have to humanize this article. You can go on Google and you can search here UPass AI. You can click here to open this URL. Guys, UPass is a best platform to humanize your article. You can generate articles using ChatGPT platform and then you can visit on UPass platform and you can paste here that article and then you can click on humanize button. This platform will convert your AI content into human written content. You can use that content on your website. As you can see, over 60,000 students are using UPass AI. You can also use this platform. Let me show you how it works. You can simply generate articles using ChatGPT platform. You can copy this article. Now you can go on GPT-0 platform and you can paste here that article. You can click on a scan button. You can see this content is 100% AI generated. You can visit on UPass AI platform and you can paste here that content. Now you can click on check for AI button. Guys, as we know that this content is AI generated. As you can see, this platform has detected that this content is 25% AI generated. If you will use this content on your website, then this content will not rank on Google search result. You will have to humanize this content. You can click on humanize button. As you can see, this platform has humanized this content. You can use this content on your website. This content will rank on Google search result. You can get visitors from Google. Now you can click here to copy this content. Now I'm going to check it. This content is human written or AI generated. You can go on GPT-0 platform and you can paste here that content. Now you can click on a scan button. As you can see, this platform has detected that this is human written content. You can use this content on your website. You can go on Google and you can search your blogger. You can click here to open this URL. Now you can click here to create your blog. After creating blogger website, you can go on Adsterra network and you can click on a start earning button. Now you can type here your email address. You can type here your full name. You can type your login ID. You can type here anything that should be unique. You can type your password. Now you can select your messenger type. You can select Skype, Telegram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. You can type here your Instagram ID. Now select your payment method. You can select any of this payment method. Now you can click here to accept its terms and conditions. And at last you can click on sign up button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on add website button. Now you can paste here your website URL. You can select your website category. Now you can select your ad unit. You can select banner ads pop under, direct links, native banner and social bar. You can select any of this ad unit. Now you can click on add button. Now you can go on your blogger website. You can click on new post button. Now you can type your title. You can type here this title. Now I'm going to customize this text. You can click here. Now you can click on heading button. You can click here. Make it largest. Now I'm going to upload your image. You can click here. Now click on upload from computer button. You can click on browse button. Now you can select money image. Click on open button. Now I'm going to paste here that content. You can go on UPass AI platform. You can click here to copy this content. Now you can go on your blogger website and paste here that content. Now I'm going to customize it. Now you can type your labels. Now you can select your location. You can select United States location. You can click on this icon. Now you can go on Adsterra network. Here is showing add unit. You can click on get code button. Now you can click on copy code button. You can go on your blogger website. You can click on this icon. Now click on HTML view button. You can paste here that code. You can paste here also. Now click here. Click on compose view button. Now you can click on publish button. Click on confirm button. Click on view blog button. Guys, here is showing my post and here is showing Adsterra banner ads. When your visitor will click on this banner ad, then you will earn money. It's a best and simple way to earn money from Adsterra network. You can visit on ChatGPT platform and you can generate articles about how to make money from YouTube, how to make money from affiliate marketing, how to make money from content creation, how to make money from e-commerce, how to make money from drop shipping. You can generate loads of articles using ChatGPT platform and then you can visit on UPass AI platform and then you can paste here your AI article. After that you can click on Humanize button. This platform will convert your AI generated article into human written. You can use this content on your website. Guys, you can only use limited words in free plan. Let me show you its price. This platform have 3 types of subscription plan: basic, unlimited and pro. If you will spend $9.99 per month, then you can humanize 5,000 words per month. If you will get this subscription plan, then you can humanize unlimited words per month. You can simply click on subscribe button. Now you can type here your email address. You can type your card information. You can type your card holder name. You can select your country. You can type your zip code. Now you can click on subscribe button. You can purchase any of this plan. Guys, it's very simple to create account on this platform. You can click on sign up button. Now you can click here to continue with Google. I have shared URL of this platform in this video description. You can check it. Here you can see I'm using unlimited subscription plan. You can use any kind of subscription plan: basic, unlimited and pro subscription plan. So friends, take advantage of UPass AI platform. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.